Do you want to learn how to start dropshipping as a complete beginner and make up to $10,000 per month or more doing so? In this video, I'll tell you exactly how you can find a winning product, market it like a pro, and build a brand that can make you anywhere from $10K a month up to millions of dollars. It's a simple system. And toward the end, I'm going to let you in on the #1 secret that the top 10% of dropshippers know that allows them to make it big when most people fail. So stick around for that. Let's get into the tutorial. Step 1 is to find a winning product. There are some basic criteria that your product must meet. Number 1, it must be recently going viral on social media. This can't be something that was trending 6 months ago, it's got to be hot right now. Number 2, your product must solve a problem for customers or improve their life in some way. Some of the best product categories are health, beauty, pets or kids, fitness, and gifts. Number 3, it must be something that cannot be purchased in a regular store. People need to have a reason why they need to buy from you rather than just going to their local Target. Number 4, you must be able to sell the product for at least a 2x markup. In other words, if you can buy the product from the supplier for $10, you need to be able to sell it for $20. If you can get to 2.5x or 3x, even better, but the minimum has to be 2x. This will give you enough margin to cover expenses and still make a good profit. Now that you know your required product criteria, let's talk about product research. One of the best ways to find a product that can make you thousands of dollars per month is to use TikTok to find what is trending right now. To do this, create a separate TikTok account that you will train specifically to offer you up an endless stream of product ideas. Once you've created a blank new account, you need to interact with organic product ads. Click on them, watch them, go to the profiles, and click on the links. Even go through the process of clicking to the website of a unique product and going all the way to putting the products in your cart. You don't need to buy them, but this will show TikTok that you're a serious buyer, and it will start to feed you more and more ads that you can get ideas from. To better train the algorithm on this account, don't watch any posts that aren't ads even for a second. If you see any posts that aren't ads, just scroll past and only watch the posts with products. Another way to do product research is to use the TikTok Creative Center. Use the filters to find products with a high CTR that only have around 1,000 to 2,000 likes. This will mean that the product was launched recently and is performing really well. You can also go to the Amazon Movers and Shakers and see what products are trending on there, or to eBay bestsellers page and get ideas there. You can also browse sites like Temu and AliExpress to see what types of products are available there. If you get a product idea from a website other than TikTok, just don't forget to search TikTok to find out if this product is trending and being advertised so you know that it's a hot product. Once you have found a trending product on TikTok that you think will do well and is recently going viral, head over to Amazon to check that the product is currently being sold and make sure it is selling well there. Step 2 is to source the product. Once you've found your winning product, it's time to find a supplier for the product. The best way to find a reliable supplier that will have fast shipping times is to use a service called 𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏. 𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏 makes it very easy to find good suppliers, and it has lots of other features like integration with Shopify that will make your life 10 times easier as a dropshipping store owner. You can click the link in the description to get a 30-day free trial of 𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏. Step 3 is to create your store. Before you start posting on TikTok and Instagram, you need to build out your store so it is ready for your customers to come and buy from you. The best platform to use to create your store is Shopify. Shopify syncs beautifully with 𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏, where you'll be sourcing your products from. And the good thing about Shopify is that they have very inexpensive trials. You can go straight to Shopify's website and get a 2-week free trial, or if you use the link in the description of this video, you can get a 3-month trial for just $1 a month to start, so $3 total. Opt for the basic subscription as it will be the best and most cost-effective subscription after the $1 a month trial ends. How do you build a high-converting Shopify store? First, you'll need a brand name and a logo. You can use ChatGPT to brainstorm some good brand names for you, something related to your chosen niche that is simple and classy. Then, for a good clean logo, go to Zarla.com and put in your new brand name and ask for their AI to offer up some potential logos. You can screenshot the logo from the results page, or you can put in your email to have them send you a free PNG or JPEG image you can use to upload to your website and social media pages. There are lots of good free themes on Shopify that will give you a professional storefront look, or you can browse their paid themes and choose one that fits the vibe you're going for. Keep it very simple. Clean white backgrounds and simple branded colors are best so you don't overwhelm your customers. The most important thing to remember when creating your Shopify store is that your product page is the most important page by far. Your homepage should look nice, and you should have about pages and policy pages, but those don't matter nearly as much as your product page, as this is where you will be sending all of your customers. A good product page will include a few nice product images, text describing the product, product, which you should keep short and to the point, a video explaining the product and how to use it, and some simple GIFs showcasing product features. Do you need a domain for your website? Yes. To look professional, you will want a domain for your brand name. You can purchase this through Shopify, but it's cheaper to go to GoDaddy, Namecheap, or another site to buy your domain and then connect it to Shopify. Step 4 is to start making content. Once you know the product you want to sell and you've found a supplier using 𝗬𝗏𝗧𝗢, you need to head over to Amazon and order the product to have it shipped to you in 1 to 2 days. You need to get your hands on it as soon as possible so you can start making video content with your product to post on social media to market your store. What type of content should you create? I cannot stress this part enough. Duplicate what is working. All of those viral ads that you saw on TikTok to confirm that this was a viable product, you want to go back to those and you want to recreate them as closely as possible to the originals using your own filmed video content. Do not try to reinvent the wheel here or do something innovative. You just need to see exactly what is performing well and do exactly what they are doing. Don't steal their content, just replicate it with your own video content. The only thing you want to do better than these ads is get better lighting and better quality, but other than that, do exactly what the others are doing. How much content should you create? You need to create enough content to post 3 times per day for 2 weeks to start. You cannot miss a single day of posting or this will ruin your chances on the TikTok algorithm. This marketing is where the dropshipping business model really works its magic, so you cannot compromise on the quality and the frequency here. This is your whole business. The first 3 to 5 videos that you post on TikTok are the most important for the algorithm to recognize how good your content is. So these 3 to 5 posts in particular need to be the most viral worthy. The hooks or the first 3 seconds of these videos need to be killer. Again, replicate what is already working from the other accounts selling this product. Do what they are doing and put the best, most viral content as your first 3 to 5 posts on TikTok. What format should you use for the video content? A good product video consists of the hook, the body of the video, and a CTA or call to action. The 3-second hook must be stellar, really intrigue the viewer and stop their scroll. The body of the video shows the product, its benefits, or a testimonial of the product. The call to action includes some kind of special offer like get it now for 50% off or something else that will incentivize them to click and buy. Should you use paid advertising? There are 2 strands of thought here. You can do dropshipping with just organic content and no advertising. It is absolutely possible if you create viral worthy content, are extremely consistent and posting often enough, and you actually have a winning product idea. And then if you have extra money that you can spend on ads, your chances in growing and scaling a successful dropshipping store are going to be higher if you have the money and are willing to pay to play. If you can afford to put down a few $100s to test a product and you're really serious about this business, then do it. Just don't be haphazard with it. Do your research into how to create successful TikTok ad campaigns. Create a few different versions of your ad, each with a different 3-second hook, so you can test all of these versions and see which one performs the best, and then scale that one ad. One last note about your video content. The same content you post on TikTok, you will be posting on Instagram. You can also put your vertical video content on other platforms such as Pinterest and YouTube Shorts. Do your research to know how these platforms work and to be able to leverage them successfully. Step 5 is to fulfill your orders. Back in the day with dropshipping, you had to individually fulfill orders and track everything using spreadsheets, carefully inputting addresses, etc. But these days, you can just use 𝗬𝗏𝗧𝗢 connected up with Shopify, and it streamlines all of that for you so you don't have to worry about it. You can just watch your orders roll in each day and see the numbers grow. Now I'm going to tell you the #1 secret that the top 10% of dropshippers know, the actual real reason that these people are able to make millions of dollars online with an e-commerce dropshipping store. The one thing that separates the successes from the failures, here's the secret. They treat it like a real business. If you want to make it big and make millions of dollars, you need to do the same. What do I mean by treating it like a real business? This means that you're realistic about what it will take, willing to fail at first and keep trying, and patient as you work towards success. Dropshipping, just like any other business, is not a get-rich-quick scheme. If you're going to actually succeed, you need to recognize that and have the patience and put in the work. It can take 10, 20, or more failed product ideas before you hit that one incredible bestseller. If you give up after your first product flops, you're never going to get there. Ask any millionaire dropshipper and 100% of them will tell you that they failed before they succeeded big time. What separates the 10% from the rest is that they keep going when they fail and realize it can take months and even years to build a steady, successful business. Some incredibly successful companies started out as dropshipping companies. When you take dropshipping and make it into a real business, once you you've found a product you love and has become a bestseller, you eventually get your own production, order large quantities of your product up front, create custom and branded packaging, have your own warehousing, and it's no longer a little dropshipping store, it's a successful e-commerce brand, one that you can sell for millions of dollars through brokers like EmpireFlippers.com. That's the real truth. Dropshipping can change your life forever, and what will separate you from the majority of sellers that fail is that you will follow the steps outlined in this video, stick with it and be persistent, and treat it like a real business until you see that phenomenal success in the form of tens of thousands of dollars or more per month rolling into your bank account.